Alright, so today I'm going to show you how to put together your Purrfectzone Bidet sprayer and install it. It's completely toolless. The first thing that I like to do is put together all the pieces before. It's just easier this way, in my opinion. So you're going to take your T-valve and connect this nut to this side and make sure that your washers are on there to prevent leaks, and you make that nice and tight. And then on the other side, you're going to take the conical side and attach your sprayer handle. So it'll look something like this. And now let's get started with the actual install. I lay down a towel because usually it does leak just a little bit. So the first thing you're going to do is pull or twist this, whichever valve you have. You're going to turn it off. And then flush your toilet 2 times. And this just ensures that most of the water is out of here. And then you're going to unscrew this part and see a little water came out, which is totally fine. And then you're going to take this metal side and connect it here. And you're just gonna do this until it is tight. Now you're gonna take this plastic nut and connect it on here. And you're just gonna twist until it's tight. And now that it's all tight, you can turn your water back on, make sure there's no leaks, and then you want to turn your valve on. You'll feel its little pressure, and it's ready to spray. And then make sure you always turn your T-valve off.